Hi everyone, in this video, I will be unboxing the Zebra DS4608 digital scanner. The first thing you will find inside the box is a USB cable. After that, you will be able to see a stand which comes along with the scanner. And lastly will be the Zebra DS4608 digital scanner itself, and also a quick start guide. To connect the USB cable to the scanner, connect this part of the cable to the bottom of the scanner. To set up the stand, connect the rod to the base of the stand and screw it in, and you are all set. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, share and also subscribe to our channel.